We are seeing some huge dump in the price of Bitcoin and the overall crypto market for the last 24 hours, and my long trade personally is in loss right now. And let's see what happens. I'll discuss each and everything in today's video. What's my trade update, what's my next plan, and this week's my analysis. So let's get straight to the point. Here I am on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and I hope you all remember we took this trade right here at $58,000. This first trade I took here and caught the whole move, and still my take profit hasn't been met, and this trade got exited in break even only, in profits only, tiny profits only. So yeah, but this trade right here, if you have watched my last previous video, I told you guys that I am entering exactly here again $58,000 when the price was here, and I will be adding more to my trade if the price dumps to $58,000, and it did dump. Well, still the price of Bitcoin is dumping towards the downside and not going upside. Let's see what happens. This is a very important support right here. Well, the price of Bitcoin is dumping towards the downside and has done a breakdown of this important support and resistance purple zone right here, from $58,000 to $60,000. Very important zone. The price of Bitcoin has done a breakdown of it. Well, I'm still bullish. Why? Because you can clearly see in the past price of Bitcoin has seen a lot of breakdowns. I would say fake out. Okay, fake out a lot of times price of Bitcoin has seen. As you can see here, it did a breakdown and then again reversed back up. Same here also, right here, as you can see, and a couple of times it did. So I still think this is a fake out and the price of Bitcoin will pump towards the upside. And why I'm saying this is a fake out, because after this huge pump right here, many people went long in greediness, and to stop them out, to hit their stop loss and liquidation, price is currently dumping towards the downside. Yes, the market works like this. So the market is right now trying to take out all the bulls from the Bitcoin long position and the overall crypto market. That's why you can clearly see huge dump and dump. I think that the price has oversold a lot, so this means there is a lot of bearish potential we have already seen for the past couple of days, and it is oversold. So there are high chances price of Bitcoin will pump towards the upside. Bulls will get stimulated from here, and bears are now getting exhausted. So that's what I think. It is a fake out, and still the price can reverse back up. Even if it does not, it's okay. I'll book a loss only, but I'm not changing my stop loss or take profit for now. Same is with Solana. Right now I'm on the Solana's chart, and you can clearly see price is literally dumping towards the downside in a single line, back to back red candles. Well, this means it clearly says that the bears are now exhausted. All the bears power has been now gone, and there are high chances bulls will get activated from here, but I'm still waiting. You can clearly see this level is a very important support. Also, if I zoom out, you can clearly see this white support trend line. Solana's price is literally at this trend line, very important support. Plus you can clearly see this minor support as well. Okay, so if I draw it like this, you can clearly see very important support right here. So there are high chances price of Solana can get a reversal from here, but I'm still waiting for the price of Solana to dump and come near my zone. This is a very important level at 123. I'm waiting and hoping that the price of Solana can one last time dump towards the downside till 123 level, so that I can go long on Solana. And I'm pretty sure it will be a high conviction trade for me, because you can clearly see price cannot dump just in a straight line like this incessantly. And as I said, bears are now exhausted, so pretty much time for the bulls to enter. And if Solana is showing me so bullish, strong conviction, and Bitcoin, as I already shared my analysis, can be a fake out and pump towards the upside. So I think that this week can be bullish for crypto because it is already dumping towards the downside heavily. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand my Bitcoin analysis for this week and my trade updates. I'm still holding my trade. Let's see what happens. I'm quite bullish on Solana and Bitcoin and overall crypto this week, and let's see. Even if this goes against me, it's okay, not a huge issue. So if you want to trade Bitcoin or Solana or any other crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description. You can create an account for free. If not, you can just search Bybit on any browser, but stay away from scams, okay? And yeah, this is it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.